Good afternoon, sir. My name is Marjo Mercado from BIS IT 4B. So, ngayon, ano po yung ginawa kong PowerPoint para sa Midterm Assessment 1. So, proceed po tayo. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Help store large amount of information in orderly way. Allow easy retrieval management and sharing of data for decision making. Type of databases. Number 1, relational database SQL. Data is stored in tables with relationship. Example, MySQL, MS Access, PostgreSQL. Number 2, NoSQL database. Uses flexible structures, documents, key values, graphs. Example, MongoDB, Firebase. Difference. Relational uses tables and structural queries, while NoSQL uses unstructured or semi-structured data. What is DBMS? A data management system, or DBMS, is a software that helps store, organize, and manage data efficiently. It allows users to create and update databases, retrieves information easily, ensure data security and integrity. Example, Microsoft Access, MySQL, and then Oracle. Key components of a database system. Hardware, physical devices where data is stored. Number 2, software, DBMS. Manage the database. Number 3, data, actually stored information. Users, people accessing the data, the system. Number 5, procedures, rules and instruction for managing data. So, ito naman po yung ginawa kong database, sir. Ang pangalan ng database ko is Mercado SQL. So, yung ginamit ko palang DBMS is MySQL kasi wala akong access na nag-expired po yung niya, kaya hindi po ako nakapag-avail, kaya gumamit na lang po ako ng ibang DBMS, which is MySQL. So, table created, customers, products, orders, relationships, customers, then orders, then customer ID, and then products, orders, then product ID. Example data. Ito naman po yung ginawa kong example data niya. So, si customer, ang pangalan niya, customer is Juan de la Cruz, and then Maria Santos, and then Jose Ramirez. And then product, burger, price, and soft drinks. Quantity, 2, 3, 1. So, yung total amount niya is 100, and then 105, and then 25. And then, relational versus NoSQL naman. So, meron tayong features, structures, schema, example, and then best for. So, punta tayo sa structures. Sa structures is tables sa may relational database. And then, sa NoSQL naman, documents and key value. Ito naman yung maganda sa kanya. And then, fixed format yung relational database. And then, flexible naman sa may NoSQL. And then, may example naman, MySQL, and then Access. And then, sa NoSQL naman, MongoDB or Firebase. And then, best for, sa relational database, structured data. And then, sa NoSQL naman, big and unstructured data. So, conclusion, databases organize data efficiently. Relational database like Access are best for structured data. NoSQL is ideal for flexible or large-scale systems. Ito naman, pakita ko naman po yung ginawa kong database ito, which is Mercado. Then, meron tayong tables dito na customers, order, and product. So, sakto naman yung kakalagay. Meron nilagay kong 200 price, 50 pesos, 35 pesos, and then 25 pesos. Stocks, 200, 100, 200, 150. Customers, ito naman po yung information or data ng mga customers. So, yun lang po, sir. Wala din po pala akong camera, sir, kasi nasira po yung camera ko. Hindi po gumagana. Kaya tinanggal ko na lang po. Nag-check po ako ng mga camera po, pero wala akong ibang naka-install. Thank you, sir.